considerations do you have with this for the willingness to adopt or even the ability to meaningfully use insights of producers?
Sorry. I didn't-
So how would you get producers to use this, or how would producers use this to, like, do they have the skill set to use it? Do they have the interest to use it? Do they want it?
Well, now we have the technology has become part of all the industries, right? And we have the sensor data that is being collected for almost all our research works. And here I have used the wearable sensor. So basically, when we use the sensor, so people use the RFID tags, the ear tags. So all those data is being stored in one particular place. So you don't need like the actual knowledge of using the services, basically.
Right, so is the intention that the researchers use the data?
Well, the data just comes from the farm, so it's basically for the end user. If we take it as a farmer, the heart rate which is exceeding a certain threshold, it just gets intimated rather than personally going to the farm and checking. So if just one sensor that is being triggered continuously, he can just go and check that specific animal rather than staying there. So that was the complete idea. And he doesn't have to actually work with the actual architecture because it is all preset.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I just,
Yeah, if there is any other services that he would like to add, say for example, there is technology evolving every day, right? So if you want to add any other functionalities, it could be easily attached or detached. So that was the main prototype of the model. So promoting the agility so that it doesn't remain as a fixed structure, that only certain use case can be observed.